How to manage notification in Twitch. In order to manage your notifications on Twitch, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to open a Twitch application and log into your account. After you're logged in, what you need to do is from the home page, you want to go to account settings. So for that, you simply want to click on the profile picture in the top right corner of your screen or from the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click on the gear icon from the top left, and here you have these notifications, right? You could then able to see this button, enable smart notification. You could toggle the button for it, and then you could also go ahead and enable, or you could also check the notification for mobile and by email itself as well. So this way you'll have successfully managed notification in Twitch account. And likewise, the other way, or the simplest way of doing it so is long press the Twitch application, click on the app info icon, and go to storage, and then go to notification from the top of the page, and here you could just toggle the button, turn it off, and this is going to help you out manage notification in Twitch. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.